There's an idea at the very heart of Chinese medicine that's over 2,000 years old. It's called the unity of heaven and humanity. The idea is simple but profound. Your body isn't separate from the world around you. The same rhythms that move the seasons, the same rise and fall of day and night, they move through you too. When your body is in harmony with that larger rhythm, you're at your healthiest. When you're out of sync with it, that's when things start to go wrong. And here's the beautiful part. There are 2 acupoints on your body that map directly onto this idea. One sits at the very top of your head, the highest point connected to the sky, to heaven, to rising yang energy. The other sits at the very bottom of your foot, connected to the earth, to grounding, to your deepest reserves. One above, one below, heaven and earth. And when you work them together, TCM says you create a small circuit of energy in your body that mirrors the great circuit of nature itself. Today, I'll show you exactly where these 2 points are, what each one does, and how to use them together. Quick note before we go further. This is a wellness practice, not medical treatment. The patterns I'll describe: poor sleep, low energy, feeling ungrounded, running hot up top and cold down below, can also have medical causes that deserve evaluation. If your symptoms are persistent or severe, please see your doctor. This is something to add to your life, not to replace medical care. I'm Jimmy. Let me show you the points. Section 1. The Earth Point, Yong Quan, KD1. Let's start at the bottom with the Earth. The point is called Yong Quan, Kidney Meridian, Point 1. The name translates beautifully, gushing spring. It's the very first point on the kidney meridian, the place where, in TCM, your deepest energy begins to rise like spring water bubbling up from the ground. In Chinese medicine, the kidney isn't just the organ that filters blood. It's the storehouse of your foundational energy, what TCM calls your root. It governs your deep vitality, your warmth, your reserves. And Yong Quan is where that energy enters the body from the earth and begins its journey upward. How to find it. Curl your toes downward. On the sole of your foot, you'll see a depression form, right in the center, in the upper third of your sole, just below the ball of the foot. That hollow is Yong Quan. It sits roughly 1/3 of the way down from your toes to your heel in the center line of your foot. What it does: grounding and deep energy. Because Yong Quan is the source point of the kidney meridian, working it helps connect you to your foundational reserves. People who feel scattered, depleted, or floaty often benefit from grounding here. Supporting sleep. This is one of the most elegant ideas in TCM. The kidney is a water organ sitting low in the body. The heart is a fire organ sitting high. In a healthy body, the heart's fire travels down to warm the kidney's water, and the kidney's water travels up to cool the heart's fire. They balance each other. As people get older, this balance can break down. The fire stays up top, the water stays down below, and they stop communicating. TCM calls this heart and kidney no longer connecting. The result is often a very specific kind of insomnia. A busy, overheated mind at night with cold feet. Sound familiar? Working Yong Quan helps draw that excess fire back down to where it belongs. Drawing heat downward. This is the same principle. If you tend to run hot in the upper body, flushed face, dry mouth, restless heat, but cold in the feet, Yong Quan helps lead the fire back down. TCM has a phrase for this: drawing fire back to its source. How to use it? The simplest method: soak your feet in warm water for about 10 minutes before bed. Water around 40 degrees Celsius, comfortably warm. Then press and massage Yong Quan with your thumb, firm circular pressure, about 2 to 3 minutes per foot. For those who run cold, gentle moxibustion over Yong Quan is even more powerful, but we'll talk about safety in a moment. The best time is in the evening, before sleep. This is when drawing energy downward helps the whole body settle. Quick but important note before we go up to the second point. How you should use Yong Quan depends a lot on your TCM constitution. If you're a yang deficient type, cold hands and feet, low energy, you feel the cold more than everyone else, Yong Quan with warmth, like a foot soak or gentle moxibustion, is ideal for you. If you're a yin deficient type, you run hot, restless sleep, hot palms and soles, dry mouth at night, Yong Quan is still excellent, but you'll want gentle massage rather than strong heat. You're drawing fire down, not adding more. If you have that classic hot above, cold below pattern, overheated mind, cold feet, trouble sleeping, Yong Quan is one of the most useful points in your entire toolkit. Same point, different approach depending on your body. That's why I built identifytcm.com, a 3-minute assessment that tells you which of the 9 TCM constitutions fits your body. Once you finish, you get a daily plan built around your body type, your age, where you live, and the current season. You'll know exactly how to use these points for your specific patterns. Link in the description. 3 minutes. Now, let's go to the top of the head. Section 2. The Heaven Point, Bai Hui, GV20. Now we go up to heaven. The point is called Bai Hui, governing vessel point 20. The name means 100 meetings, because this is where 100 pathways of energy converge. It sits at the very top of your head, the highest point of your entire body. The Taoists had another name for it. They called it the meeting of all the yang channels. The summit, the peak, the highest point where the body's rising energy gathers. If Yong Quan is where energy enters from the earth, Bai Hui is where it reaches its highest point and connects to the heavens. How to find it? Run your index fingers up from the tops of both ears. Bring them to the very top of your head, where they meet at the crown. That's the line. Now find the center point along that line, in line with the tip of your nose. Press gently, and you'll often feel a small depression and slight tenderness. That's Bai Hui. What it does, lifting and clarity. Because Bai Hui sits where all the yang channels meet, gently working, it has an uplifting, clarifying effect. In TCM, this is described as raising the clear yang. People often describe a feeling of lightness, alertness, and mental clarity after working this point. Mental sharpness. TCM connects the kidney's energy, that deep reserve we talked about with Yong Quan, to the brain. The classics say the kidney governs the bones and produces marrow, and the brain is the sea of marrow. So there's a direct line in TCM thinking between your deep kidney energy at the bottom and your mental clarity at the top. Bai Hui is the meeting place of that line at the crown. Calming and settling, gentle, slow work on Bai Hui has a settling effect on the whole system. Many people find it helps quiet a busy mind. How to use it? Use the soft pad of your fingers, not your nails. Press gently and make slow circular massage motions, about 30 to 50 rotations. Close your eyes while you do it. You may feel a gentle warmth or a mild expanding sensation at the crown. That's the response. Some people like to combine the massage with gentle tapping, using your fingertips to lightly tap around the crown. Keep it gentle. This isn't about force. Section 3. Working them together, the Heaven-Earth Circuit. Here's where it becomes something more than 2 separate techniques. Remember the idea we started with, the small circuit of energy that mirrors the great circuit of nature? Bai Hui points to the sky. Yong Quan points to the earth. When you work both in sequence, you're connecting the highest point of your body to the lowest, completing a loop that runs the entire length of you. The traditional sequence is simple. First, the earth. In the evening, soak your feet, then massage Yong Quan on both soles. You're grounding, drawing energy and excess heat downward, settling the body. Then, the crown. Gently massage Bai Hui for a minute or two. You're lifting the clear energy, creating clarity at the top. The principle: draw the fire down from the head, lift the clear energy up from the root. Heaven above, earth below, connected through the center, through you. Do this in the evening as part of winding down. Many people find the combination especially good for that wired but tired feeling. An overactive mind paired with a depleted, restless body. This isn't a quick fix, it's a daily ritual. Done consistently over weeks, it's one of the gentlest and most balancing practices in all of Chinese medicine. Section 4. Important cautions. A few things to take seriously. On moxibustion, if you choose to use heat on Yong Quan, never let the burning end touch your skin. The warmth should feel pleasant, never burning. The smoke can set off household smoke alarms. Use near ventilation. Skip moxibustion entirely if you have diabetes with reduced foot sensation. You may not feel if the heat is too intense and could burn. On Bai Hui, keep all pressure gentle. This is not a point for force. Skip if you have any head injury, recent head surgery, or scalp condition. Skip if you have very high blood pressure that isn't controlled. Strong stimulation at the crown isn't advisable. Consult your doctor. For pregnancy, both of these points should be approached with caution during pregnancy. Yong Quan and Bai Hui can both be quite activating. Please consult your provider before using either during pregnancy. So that's the pair. Bai Hui at the crown, connected to heaven. Yong Quan at the soul, connected to earth. 2 points at the two ends of your body that for over 2,000 years Chinese physicians have used to bring the whole system into balance. There's something quietly beautiful about this practice in a world that pulls our attention everywhere at once. Sitting down in the evening, soaking your feet, drawing the energy down, lifting the clarity up, is a small act of coming back into harmony with your body and with the larger rhythms you're part of. A few minutes a night. The kind of practice that doesn't make headlines, but slowly, gently brings you back to center. If you want to know which TCM constitution fits your body and how to use these 2 points for your specific patterns of sleep, energy, and balance, head over to identifytcm.com. 3 minutes. Tomorrow you'll wake up with a daily plan built specifically for your body. I'm Jimmy. See you next time.